Hi, I'm Arnold van Dyke, Director of Tax Services with Tax Audit, and in this video series we will be answering common tax debt questions. In today's video we will be discussing who qualifies for tax debt relief. So before we answer that question, we have to look at how many Americans face tax issues. More than 14 million Americans have some type of IRS-backed tax debt, and an additional 7 million or more have unfiled tax returns. So a lot of Americans are facing tax issues. When it comes to settling with the IRS for a lump sum, that can really only be done after a tax assessment through the IRS Offer and Compromise program. So what other type of relief is available for taxpayers who cannot pay the liability in full, or who, if they paid the liability in full, it would cause them severe financial hardships? There are installment agreements available, there are currently not collectible status available, and a myriad of other procedural and potential even litigation tools available for taxpayers who want to dispute the IRS if the IRS is trying to collect a liability against them. Other type of tax relief available is if taxpayers face wage levies, liens on their property, innocent spouse provisions, audit reconsideration, other type of tax relief available for taxpayers based on their specific circumstances. So any individual or business in the US who has tax issues should speak with a tax professional in regards to their tax problem. Sometimes the best option for an individual or business is to pay the liability in full, because the IRS does continue to charge interest, and they also do continue to charge failure to pay penalties if a liability remains unresolved. However, if you cannot pay in full, or if it's not the best option, a tax professional can point you in the right direction or represent you thoroughly through a case. We have plenty of clients in our office who owe the IRS $100,000 or more, who does not qualify for an offer and compromise. However, they still do need assistance with their specific tax issue because they are dealing with the revenue officer, or they just simply can't pay the balance in full and they need to set up an installment agreement that they can actually afford, not one that the IRS is stating they can pay. Oftentimes, the IRS does not accurately reflect a taxpayer's financial situation. For example, we're currently working on a case where the IRS is telling our taxpayers they have the ability to pay a monthly installment agreement of roughly $11,000 a month, and we believe the taxpayers can only pay roughly $3,000 a month. We do have appeal rights in those type of situations. We can also take the issue to tax court if we continue to disagree with IRS appeals on their handling of the specific case. So in short, almost anyone qualifies for tax relief if they're unable to pay in full and they need to set up some type of agreement with the IRS. Not everyone will qualify for a lump sum settlement because that is entirely based on financial ability to pay. But the best thing to do is to speak to a tax professional, review your specific situation, and make an informed decision on how to best approach your liability. So that's it for today's topic. In the next video, we will be discussing how much tax debt relief costs. And if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, give us a call, or you can visit our YouTube page and our video series on common tax debt questions answered. Thank you.